At Automate America, we proudly support the automation industry from students to seasoned experts. That's why we recommend Controlbotics as your go-to source for automation training. Controlbotics offers a variety of training options to suit your needs. Choose from online courses, hands-on training in Alabama, or on-site sessions at your facility. Their courses cover the latest technologies in manufacturing, from welding and fabrication to controls and robotics. Controlbotics even offers custom classes tailored to your specific automation equipment. Once your training is complete, Controlbotics provides job placement services to help you get started in your career. They have employers actively seeking skilled professionals like you. And when you've gained a couple of years of experience, head over to automateamerica.com. We offer the world's only marketplace for high-value hourly contracts for automation professionals. Get started with Controlbotics today.